Let's begin today's digital painting tutorial. I will show you how to draw on Ibispaintx. Today I am using Ibispaintx for making a painting that looks like Bengali Pottochitro. I am using tools from Ibispaintx. I didn't create any other tools. For line drawing, I use graphite pencil. And as it is getting bigger than my canvas, I will reshape it using a tool called lasso and move. Then I will add the details of her shari. I draw the book separately and moved it using lasso and move for creating volume, and then I started to color. For blurry background, as you can see, the green blurry background, airbrush is the good option, and then skin tone using felt tip pen brush and then shari. It's the same felt tip pen brush. Blouse and hair too. Just reshape the brush size. Then added some details and a flower on hair using flower brush and the tree. Leaves are painted using leaf shower and just use some blender. And wow, it took a great look after all this effort. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful. If you like my video, please like and do subscribe my channel, and I will try to make many more videos like this. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you all.